Well, hello, hello, hello. I have got you a mail call. I've got actually, and I have one more box after this to open up, but that's Happy Mail. It's a whole different ball of wax. But I have mail call here. This came between Friday and Saturday, so hopefully I'll get this edited and up by tomorrow. But this is just up. I have Kindred. I forget what you are. Who are you? I have no idea who you are. And then I have HSN. So I think I have no idea what it is either. So let's just figure out what the heck I got, right? Oh, let's see. How do we open these? I'm always trying to open these so I don't destroy the envelope, especially a purple one. Although, really, I don't know why I'm all obsessed about this purple. It's just pretty. It's caught my imagination. But this is like, Crafter's Companion and Kindred stamps. They do purple. But I know this. I know what it is. This is is this all I got? Was that the class? Or I knew I got something else. Okay, so I got little shaker bits. This is what do they call it? It is the Fantastic Kindred class, and it is a shaker card. I already have the download link for the class to do it, but it was a kit that has the little stand. Look at that. Look at that little. Again, it is Disney themed. Of course, this is another one of my things. Is the Disney thing, but look at that. You are fantastic. Dream big. Make your own magic. I love this. Really easy. Again, my speed of coloring. And then it has the little die here, and it has the lights. This is a light up card. So maybe I assemble this online and I can't, and then it came with the shaker bits. So it ended up being like 15 bucks. It wasn't that expensive, but I was like, yes, it was all Disney. So I got this. So I'm going to do it. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I'll watch it and do it online with you guys. We'll see. But I'm like, yay! And we'll just add this to the pile of stuff that I'm going to get done sometime before I die. Put that away. Okay. We're going to send that, and we're going to save the envelope because it's cute. Next, we have, I don't know. This is for sure Maker Forte. This is, I think, part of what I ordered from HSN because it comes, they ship themselves. I think it's how it works. I have no idea. But I recognize the black envelopes and the flak that is coming from Florida, and I know that Hedgehog Hollow and Alexandra are in Florida. So, this is it. This is the coffee set. I loved it because it had just the top swirls. Look at that. And you guys, this is literally the lid, like the coffee cup lid. It is so cute. I was watching Alexandra do some stuff with this, and it is just adorable. And I love this. We're a perfect blend. Just brew it. Every little thing is what is it? Genuine? No. Oh, it's gonna here. Oh, I can't even read it. Holy mackerel. Let me change the glasses. Change them out for the ones that I can read with, not these. These are great for computers, but when I'm trying to read up close. Now let's see if I can read her scrawl. I still can't read it. Bean. Oh, everything's gonna bean all right. Good Lord, in the morning. If I had a half a brain, I'd be dangerous. I'm telling you guys. Espresso yourself. Living la vida mocha. Yes, this is so cute. And then this is, I'm really, really curious to test out her black. Although it is water-based ink pad. So that tells me it moves. So it is not like, I don't think it's going to be alcohol marker safe. But it's supposed to be like a really super black. Although I think she was talking about in the video that it is. So we're going to figure this out. We're going to test it out. Okay, guys? But that is what I got from Hedgehog Hollow Maker Forte. From Alexandra. And then this is, I think, the Hydrangea kit. This is one of the things from the, remember I told you guys that I ordered it all together and then this was shipping by itself. This is why HSN charges shipping the way they do, because they can't get their act together and put it all together at once. But, oh well. Be that as it may, it was, I think, the last of the, my goodness. There we go. The clearance frenzy. That was the word I was looking for. Clearance. So that is my shipping label, in case I want to return it. Yeah, no. And there is the, they could have just put this. My gosh, this is, because it has a pad of paper in it. We're going to send the box flying. Fly, my pretty fly. Okay, they didn't land very gracefully. That one was an epic fail. Let me put away, grab these little things out, and then let's slip the envelope open. Oh my God, I think, you know what, because the envelope is super flippy. Okay, I'm going to have an easier time with the scissors, I think. Good Lord. Okay, there we go. We have all kinds of stuff. Move this out of the way. They had a bunch of these, but I could not buy them all. I love these decoupage things, especially Crafter's Companions, the florals. They did a sunflower one way back, and I missed it completely. And I cannot find that for love or money. I should probably go searching on eBay. But here it is. So it's got the stamp if you want to do the stamping and the coloring. No. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I am not that ambitious. It's just not. Although, let me take it back. It does have, I love that. Friendship isn't a big thing. It's a million little things. Okay, I'll keep it because, oh my gosh, that is so awesome. That is a great sentiment. So there you go. But here is, this is what you cut it out with. But it also, what I love about it is that it takes your paper pad and it dimensionalizes it. Okay, so I got to be really careful about how I want to crack these open. So let's see if I can get this open without ruining one of the pages. So give me a second. If I just take my time and not be impatient like I usually am, I can do it. Come on. Okay, I didn't mind doing a little bit to the cover. I just did not want to ruin one of those sheets of paper. But this is, okay, come on. There we go. Try to crack this open, so I have to do it a little bit at a time. And then I'll remove the tape. Okay, so you can see that from right here. That's the patterning. It's so pretty. I love hydrangeas. So hydrangeas is one of my favorite flowers. It's what I grow in my garden. But it is so, so, so pretty. I absolutely love these hydrangeas. So I went ahead and got it. They had pansies. They had several, and it was so worth it on the clearance frenzy. So I am so glad. So this is something that will be easy to work up to make it. My gosh, I could even possibly add it to the what the heck? You can send hydrangeas for, you know, people. It's one of the biggest days. I think it's the second flower sending day beyond Mother's Day. Mother's Day is #1 day for sending flowers. And I think Valentine's Day is right after it. So that's really it. Wasn't a big haul. It was a little haul, but these are my goodies. Where'd my Mickey Mouse thingy go? Oh, I put them over here. So, I mean, that's it for this. I mean, this is a quickie. This is a short one, but I'm excited about doing this. I'm sitting here trying to think if I can incorporate this in the val, because look how pretty. Look how, I mean, my gosh. That is a really, really, I mean, to me, a stunningly elegant, very, very simple card that can be put together very, very quickly. And you put a sentiment on it, and you know, just literally you can put "I love you," and there you go. And it's one and done, just about. So let's see if I can pull my act together and get that done quickly. All right, guys, thanks a lot for hanging out with me and see my mail haul. If you like it, then you know what to do. Give me a like, say hi. And if you want to see more of this crazy madness of my own, then you know what else to do. See, I can't even talk. I'm so crazy. Then go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell, and you'll know when I'm back. And otherwise, okay, go forth and be crafty today. Do your thing, because nobody does it better than you, all right? And don't forget, above all else, we're all a little mad here. So let's craft the madness together, okay? Talk to you guys later. Bye.